Hey guys, bit of a different pace today. Going to give you a rundown on my rebuilt Barramundi fishing boat. Bought it last year, completely stripped it, rebuilt it, resprayed it, got rid of all its surface corrosion, rewired it, and hope you enjoy. So I bought the boat last year. It was in a bit of a mess. Got it for a bargain. And a 90 horsepower 4-stroke Suzuki on the back, EFI, 2005 model. Completely rebuilt the boat, inside and out. Stripped it down completely. Had a lot of surface corrosion up on the gunnels and on the sides. A lot of stone chips, a lot of scratches. Rewired it. A mate of mine built a new center console for me. Rewired new electronics, HDS carbon with 3D and active 3-in-1 transducers. New seats, new carpet. The transducers there. Motor was in really good nick, just needed a service. Made up new decals, boat's name, shades grey. Heavy alloy trailer, made in Darwin, in Humpty Doo actually. Often boats of this size, this is a 4mm plate boat, so it's quite heavy for its size. It's 5.2 metres in length, 18 feet. Often boats up here have dual axles for redundancy. The problem with dual axles is that unless it's a really heavy boat, a lot of the shock from corrugations is actually transmitted through to the boat. So in this case, better having a single axle, although of course you'd damage a hub, then you're kind of stuck. Spare up the front has a fitted override disc brakes, galvanised disc brakes. Take a look inside. Starting at the bow. Anchor well. Casting deck and storage. Nice big size and hold a lot of gear in there, which is really good. Something that I added in, the fire extinguisher and EPIRB boxes. 150 litre esky, particularly important in the territory. Carry the beers and of course all the fish. Not that I catch a lot of fish. Has a well, a tank under here. I keep my spare 20 litre fuel drum in there as an auxiliary. It's got about a 90 litre tank underneath the centre console, which originally was filled under the centre console, but I've changed it to a filler up on the gunnels. It's got some good storage pockets down the sides. Two big storage bins at the very back. Can't quite see that one because of the chair. Removable bait board that folds down or pulls out and sits down here on the floor when we're travelling. Another big storage pocket on the side with the mandatory gaff and lure retrieval tool. Centre console that the mate of mine built for me has access at the front. First aid kit, mandatory in the Northern Territory, some sort of stubby holder.
fuse box. When I wired it up, I wanted the fuse box to be accessible, yet used a waterproof one, so easy accessible to the fuse box. Marine VHF radio. It's an old cover but a brand new radio. Gauges wise, Suzuki RPM and check engine, etc. This was an eBay special. Multi-function, hard to get without glare. GPS speed and a whole heap of other functions. Hour meter, 70 hours that I've done since last year. Fuel gauge. Engine trim, and this one's just filling in a hole. Good to have an old-fashioned compass when the GPS unit. It's a 9-inch HDS carbon. Hydraulic steering, replaced the helm and the hydraulic ram. Kill tank down the back. A little bit hard to show you, but remove the seat. The seats will move out and move into different positions. 2 seats, removable seats in the boat. Can be moved up the front there. Was thinking about making a mount up on the casting deck. May do that at some later stage. Bimini was a locally made Darwin one. Colour doesn't quite go with the boat anymore. Probably look at remaking this at some stage. Decided to do the boat inside because the Northern Territory's very, very hot sun. A very, very bright sun, especially during the build-up and the wet season. Did it all in this light grey colour, and then just did the gunnels in gloss white. Too much gloss white in a boat up here is way, way too bright. Also put this anti-slip treading along the sides of the gunnels on either side, although the fuel is affecting that one. We'll do something about that eventually. So that's it for the tour of the GRAYZBILDZ rebuilt boat, shades of grey. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been a bit of a labour of love. There's my old Land Cruiser in the background. Might do a video on that some stage. Nearly 500,000 kilometres on it, and that's what it looks like. And of course, can't forget Brutus over in the background, waiting patiently to be painted. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Really important. If you can, leave a comment. It helps the channel heaps and helps me grow the channel. Really would like to get to 1,000 subscribers. Currently sitting at 46. So if you can share and get other people to like the channel, that's a big help and helps me grow, helps me continue to make videos and build and rebuild projects to show you. Cheers.